Okay, buddies, let me show you another area for the workshop. And over here is another different polymatic hydraulic block machine. Over here is our block mode. This mode is for producing solid block mode, solid blocks. Over there is the hollow block mode. And this one is the concrete mixer. GS750 is a big mixer. Normally, this mixer, because this mixer capacity is 750 liters, so it will be equipped with QT6 above the model, different model. And over here is in the processing of the manufacture and fabrication of the block machine. Like this model is our QT12-15, a very big block machine, very big block machine. And over here is just the spare parts, but the machine is over there. And like this model, compared with the normal models, and this block machine with the color feeder, And over here, that means some customer required us to manufacture the system to the block together with the block machine to produce the colorful paving bricks. So that means we have to to plus this particular model, this particular system, which is called the color feeding system, to feeding the pigment, to feeding the colorful pigments onto the surface of the pavers, to make the paving bricks to be colorful. This pass. Here is the hydraulic station, and here is the PLC controller. Yeah. I'm going to show you our the best sale model. It's called QT4-18, the block machine. And over here, like here is the concrete mixer. This mixer name is GQ500 pan mixer. We take use 11 kilowatts of the electric motor to rolling. And over here is the reducer. This one is the reducer. We take use 305 model, which can supply the more powerful the gear, the news to rolling the concrete to concrete material. And you can see the steel thickness we take use normally is 10 millimeter. It's very thick. And for the arms, it's solid iron. These arms, it's not empty. This iron is a solid one. So it was rolling the concrete material like this. It's very easy to be used, this mixer. Maybe just use you can pour the concrete material like cement, sand, stone dust inside and put the water and switch on rolling. After only 2 minutes, it can finish the mixing very well. And will be open like this. So the finished material, the finished mixing material will be dropped down to the conveyor belt. And over here is the block machine. And this particular block machine is called QT4-18. It's a fully automatic hydraulic block machine. It's powered by hydraulic compared with the mechanic or the manual one. The weight of this block machine is 3.8 tons only in the block machine. And the conveyor machine is about 400 kilograms. And the concrete mixer is about 850 kilograms. So this complete production line will come with the concrete mixer, conveyor belt, and the block machine, and the block transfer, and also the stack machine, So it's a complete one. It can produce hollow blocks, solid blocks, interlocking bricks, paving bricks, curbs, even the soil bricks. So it's a multi-purpose block machine. And about the 400 by 200 by 200 hollow blocks, it can produce four blocks at one go. At the same time, it can produce 6 inches blocks, 5 pieces at one go. So it can be exchange the mode, different mode to making the different blocks. Now my engineer is fixed the mode, it's changed the mode. And the vibration motor is powered by 5.5 kilowatts. So it was supplied enough power to drive the vibration box. And also sometimes a very few customers, they thought the block strings normally come from the compressed cylinder. This one, compressed cylinder. But I want to tell you, the answer is wrong. So what I mean is the 80% of the block of your block's strings is coming from the vibration from the vibration force. So just like the downside vibration form, yeah. But maybe some few customers ask, what's the function of the hydraulic cylinder for the top? I want to explain it how it works. That means after your concrete material fitting inside the mold box, at the same time you have to switch on the vibration to vibration in the material. So with the vibration force, the concrete material, the cement and the sand will be sucking inside to mold box and get density. And after maybe 2 seconds vibration, the compressed hydraulic cylinder starts to compress down to press the blocks. So you can understand, or the block strength is coming from which part, the vibration or the compress, Okay. And like the waves, all of the waves we take use of the best brand from Taiwan. It's called Kalija. Yeah. So the signal is very, very accurate, and it can be effective in second times. This one waves, and also for the hydraulic oil hose, the wearing capacity is more than 35 ampere or 40 ampere. And over here is the controller box, PLC controller box. So that means we can teach you how to set up your parameters for the producing different blocks. Maybe sometimes you want to produce hollow blocks. The vibration time maybe is longer. But next time you plan to change the mode to make the paving bricks, so the vibration time will be reduced a little. So we will give you the professional guide, the menu, and for you to understand how to set the parameters for each processing. Okay, now we finished the exchanging the mode. We finished the exchanging mode. So next we are going to run in the block machine and try to test it for you. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.